In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an Asana account for your schoolwork. We'll start by getting you set up with Asana so everything for school lives in one reliable place. Head to the Asana website and create your account. Use an email you check every day so updates never slip by you. Once you're in, you're ready to build a simple system that keeps your classes, assignments, and study time organized and easy to act on. Next, make a project dedicated to your schoolwork. Give it a clear name you'll recognize at a glance, like semester planner or all classes. This project is your home base. You'll open it to see everything that matters for school. Keep it straightforward so you can maintain it quickly, even on busy days. Now add your work as tasks. Treat each assignment, exam, reading, or long-term project as its own task. Use short, specific titles like Biology Lab Report or History Reading Chapters 5 to 7 so you can scan your list without thinking too hard. In the task description, jot a brief note about what done looks like, any important instructions or links you'll need later. The clearer your tasks are now, the less time you'll spend figuring out what to do when you sit down to study. Add due dates to every task so you know what to finish first. Assign the actual deadline from your syllabus or instructor. If you prefer to start early, you can still keep the official due date and simply aim to move the task into your active work section sooner. With due dates in place, your project will naturally surface what's urgent and help you avoid last-minute stress. Organize your project with simple sections: to do, doing, waiting, and done. Place new tasks in to do. Move tasks to doing when you're actively working on them, even if you only plan to spend a short study block. Use waiting for anything blocked by someone else or by missing information so you remember to follow up. When you finish, move the task to done. This flow gives you a quick picture of what needs attention right now. Make checking Asana part of your daily routine. Open your project each morning to see what's due soon, and again at the end of the day to update progress. Move tasks between sections as your status changes. Mark work complete as soon as you finish it, and adjust due dates only when necessary. A brief daily check keeps your plan accurate, prevents surprises, and turns your schoolwork into a manageable, repeatable habit.